In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube library option is not showing. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your YouTube application. And as you can see in the bottom part of our screen, all of these sections, you should see a library right here. But in the recent update, the library section or option right here is replaced by this U section. So this should be the library section, but it's now the U section. But if you still want to see that library option right there on your YouTube, what we can do is close the app and go to our phone settings. So let's open our phone settings and simply go to our app settings. So right here in our apps, just simply search for YouTube, select YouTube. Now you will see this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So what you want to do is simply tap on that and simply tap on uninstall updates. So this will revert our YouTube app to the past versions and you will now see the library option again. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.